Well, hello. Well, I got my new package. So we're gonna do a mail opening. Stay tuned. Let's see if I can do this. Guys, you know I had to work today. I already ripped it open, but we're gonna see what I got. So I'm about to crash out. So this is what we're gonna look at. Not my bed. But I'm gonna go to bed. But I wanted to make sure that you see what I have, what I got in, what seats I ordered, not someone gave me. But I am still looking forward to sharing seats with people. So if you do happen to see something that I did order, just let me know. Of course, I'm not going to give all the whole pack away, but I can share some of them. So we're going to start off with the pepper, the sweet chocolate. Of course, this won't be getting done this fall. We have 1,000 head kale. We have the Chinese 5-color pepper. I think this is my free one. We have the lemon cucumbers. Okay, let me see. What is this? Okay, this is my Mary Washington asparagus. I think that's what that is. We have the miniature white cucumbers. Now, some of these I've never had or tasted, but of course, you know me, if I grow them, it'll be probably one of each. Some lettuce. These are my free seeds. The orange jazz tomatoes. And remember I said I will try to switch it up, but I don't know how much. My moringa dwarf. My moringa dwarf. My endive. My plantain. Poblano pepper. My giant mussel birds, my leeks. My bok choy. Plantain, the purple perversion. My amaranth. My kale. Borage. Lemongrass. And I just remembered I ordered some more of that. My lettuce. Over there. This is marjoram. Peppers. Peppers. And what is this one? My dock. So yes, I'm sorry. So these are some things that I've never eaten before. Well, for sure, never grown before. And I did say I was going to start changing some things up. Not everything at once, but some things I wanted to have in my herb bed. Some things I actually wanted to grow myself. So this is my first order. I do have some stuff that's coming in tomorrow, I think, and then next week or by the weekend. So stay tuned for those things. And of course, like I said, if you've seen something that you don't have, I will, if it's a lot of seeds, I will share a few. But I'm not going to, of course, give them all out because I haven't tried them yet. And I do not have a problem with opening them even if I hadn't started them. So just let me know if you've seen something that you would like to try. The max I would probably give out is 5 or 6 seeds. So if that's interesting, if that piques your interest, then feel free to email me. I am a part of the seed swap. I think the gifting group. So check with Diva Jones on that one. That's DEVA Jones. And yeah, so I hope you like these new products that I'm gonna try. And if you missed something, just go back and I guess replay, so I don't have to repeat it and make this video super long. So again, thank you for watching. And today was a tiresome day. Yes, it was my first day. So it is about 7:30-ish. I'm already showered, in the bed, and I decided to go ahead and at least open up my mail so you guys can see which seeds that I just got outside of the ones I've already have. So have a blessed day. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share it, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. And I really pray and hope that you are being a good steward and watching the videos all the way through as I do you. Thank you.